Other. The word other is a common word in the English language that is used to refer to something that is different or separate from what has already been mentioned or is known. It is often used to compare or contrast two or more things. Here are a few different ways other can be used. 1. As a pronoun. I have one pen, but I need another one. Referring to a different pen. Some people prefer tea, while others prefer coffee. Referring to different preferences. 2. As an adjective. I have two cats. One is black and the other is white. Referring to the second cat. She is wearing a red dress, while her sister is wearing the other one. Referring to a different dress. 3. As a noun. The others in the group agreed with my idea. Referring to the remaining people in the group. Some people are happy with their lives, but others are not. Referring to different people. 4. In idiomatic expressions, the grass is always greener on the other side. Referring to the belief that things are better elsewhere. Let's cross that bridge when we come to it. Referring to dealing with a problem or situation when it arises, it is important to note that other can be used in various contexts and can have different meanings based on the sentence structure and the words it is used with. Its usage often depends on the specific situation and the intended meaning.